Howdy do! Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are unboxing the Ammoon Tomsline AC Stage Acoustic Guitar Simulator pedal. So let's get to it. I ordered this a couple of days ago and it came straight away via Amazon. So there's your empty box. Hello! And we've got a nice little plastic bag that it comes in. And inside the plastic bag, we have a nice little black box. There's your black box. So the reason I said Ammoon or Tomsline is because it was advertised as Ammoon on Amazon, and yet we still have Tomsline on the box and on the screen. So there we are. That's one end of the box. So it gives all the instructions or all the details. Turning the box around, we have a little barcode with something. No, that's fine. Made in China. So it was 25, 28 pounds altogether, British pounds. And so we will open the box now and see what's inside. And hopefully it will be an acoustic guitar simulator pedal. And the reason I got this pedal was to gig with, to do my shows with. And although sometimes I do an acoustic show, I've got a semi-acoustic pedal. No, I haven't. I've got a semi-acoustic guitar, which I'll be showing you in another video. It's an Epiphone Casino Coupe. So I'd like to have the option of playing electric and acoustic in the same show without changing the guitar if I don't have to. So hopefully this will give me the option. In the box we have a sticker with Tomsline Engineering printed on it. So that will be going on my guitar, one of my guitar cases, the semi-acoustic Epiphone Casino 339 Coupe. We have some instrucciones. And in the instructions, there is a little diagram with the pedal and all the bits and pieces on how to use the pedal. We also have some silica gel. Do not eat, throw it away, which can be used for other things like inside a guitar case and other things. So onto the main box, we have some foam to keep the pedal together, and here is the pedal itself. And underneath the pedal, in the now is empty box, we have also some Velcro for the pedal board. So we'll put that down and we'll take the protective foam off the pedal, and there we are, a small mini pedal, as some people would like to call it, with a volume, a body dial, and a switch, 3-position switch, piezo, standard and jumbo positioning. We also have a top dial and the LED to inform us that it's working. and the button itself, which can be operated by the foot or fingers. And also, one of the things that attracted me to the pedal rather than other ones, along with the price and the sound quality, because I did my research on YouTube, was the other thing was this little protective bar. So if you, when you put your foot on the pedal, it protects the dials from your foot being a bit too aggressive. So there we are. On the top of the pedal we have the power supply, which is a 9-volt power supply, and there's an in and an out on the side of the guitar. The bottom is nice, it's screwed in, it's a good metal solid construction, and on the bottom there is a rubber pad with some more details of the pedal there. So there we are. Thanks for watching. This has been the unboxing video for the Ammoon or Tomsline AC Stage acoustic guitar simulator pedal. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming very soon. Check out my other videos, and coming soon will be a first look at this pedal and also a demonstration of this pedal. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.